Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today, we're going to be taking a walk through our new 2020 380 Boston Whaler Outrage. We'll take a look at the outside, then we'll go inside and take a look at the options. As you can see, this boat does have a full gray hull. It does have the stainless steel plow anchor. Some outriggers, windshield. We'll go inside, we'll take a look. As we walk on to our 2020 38 Outrage, you can see that this boat is a triple 400 Verado boat in white. It is a joystick boat. You can tell by the little lights in the back. It does have a generator in it because you can see the air intakes. There's a live well in the back. Cover on the aft seat. A walk-through door with a freshwater shower. Boat does have tables for the cockpit. Boarding door on the side with the handle. Raw water. That's your dive ladder that goes out the door on the side. Flip down seat in the back. Flip down seat on the side. Mezzanine style seating, which does come down to a table. Teak table. Many disputes whether this is a bait rigging table or a wine and cheese table. Could go both ways. Rod holders in the back. This boat does have the sunshade. Outriggers. Another wash down. Cup holders everywhere. Point out rod holders. Just gonna go over the options. It is winter, it's still cold here, so there's going to be some cushions missing. We'll take a walk forward. It does have the large lounge in the front with more cup holders, armrests, tons of storage underneath. Teak table that pops up, cushions that go all the way around. Makes two great areas for entertaining. Stereo remote up forward. There's an electric table. There's the controls for it. These seats pop up with backrests on them. You could put a half dozen people up here without a problem. Boat does have a full windshield across with a vent, with a wiper. Does have defrosters also, which are an option on this. Has a LED light forward, a spotlight, an open array radar, which isn't really attached yet, but if you're interested, we'll get the radar on. Jump seats on the side. They pop out for fishing. Large hardtop keeps you in the shade. Tackle storage. 3 seats across with a footrest. This boat is obviously a joystick boat. Does have the 2 large Raymarine screens, Fusion stereo, Raymarine VHF remote, Mercury smart gauges. There's a defroster button. The overhead box is a smart box, which means that it has 12 volt and USB in it. Push button start. Spotlight. More cup holders. Very well thought out. Plus air conditioning at the helm. The seat is electric. A button to make it go forward and aft. Rod holders in the cabin. Nice cabin. There's your wand for your radar. Cushions for up forward. Your sink. There is a head. An enclosed head. If you have any questions or would like more pictures or me to take a video of anything in particular, please contact us. We're here at Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. There's a refrigerator on the side. Very well thought out boat. I forgot to mention there is a live well under the seat. There are fish boxes in the floor. You tend to forget things when you go rabbit through this, but please do not hesitate to call us for anything. We enjoy this. It's our passion. Once again, this is our 2020 38 Outrage with triple 400 Verados on it. Plenty of speed, a lot of fun. pretty much the company Ferrari. This boat's a good running boat. Have a great day, and thank you.